start. I will tell you the things. I have cut the color paper in and flowers. I will show you how to cut this, and black color paper in heart shape, and this is heart paper in heart shape. And this is ribbon. I don't have woolen thread. You have woolen thread, you can make this in. Okay. Next, scissor, sellotape and gum. Okay friends, let's start. Okay friends, I will show you how to make the flower. First, fold the paper like this. I am taking the square paper in 3.5 centimeter. Fold this. It will be in triangle shape. One more time we want to fold, and we want to take pencil. Okay friends, now we can take the pencil and draw like this and cut this. Okay friends, do you see the flower? Okay, now we can make next thing. First, take the black color paper and gum it here. Now we can take the heart shape and gum it here. Okay friends, I have gummed it very nicely. Now take the color sheet and gum it here, the center. Okay friends, now we can gum here very nicely in the center. Friends, now we can gum it this one. Okay friends, now I have gummed this too. Now we want to gum this all in here. Okay friends, now I have gummed the heart shape full of color papers, and now we can cut this end. Now we can cut the balance pieces. Look, I have cut the all balance, and now we can gum the flowers on the side. Put some gum, and now we can gum here. Okay friends, now I have gummed these all flowers in the heart shape. Now we can wait for 15 minutes. Okay. Why? Because 50 minutes we want to dry the gum, then only it will be very sticky. Okay friends. After 50 minutes, the gum is very sticky. Now take the 3 ribbons and fit on the back side with sellotape. Look, I have fixed the 3 ribbons with sellotape, and now we can take the old color papers, balance and fix on the back side with gum. Because we want to fix on the wall. Okay. Okay friends, now I have fixed this old color paper on here. Now this is ready. Now we can fix on the wall. Okay, I had fixed on the wall. I think you all like. You can make the big size of this and very colorful flowers you can make. I have only made pink color. You can make red, green, yellow. Okay. It will be very beautiful. You please try this and like, share and comment. Okay friends, now I will come on next video. So please subscribe. Okay friends, bye.